Hey everyone, if you're a freelancer looking to expand your horizons and discover new opportunities, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of freelancing with a focus on 8 lesser-known, low-competition freelancing websites that could potentially skyrocket your earning potential. Let's get started. First up on our list is Contra. If you're a newbie and you've been on TikTok, you might have heard of it. Contra is a one-stop shop freelancing platform known for its affordability. It charges $0 in commission. That means you get to keep 100% of your earnings. However, a word of caution, Contra Pro, their premium version, is in the works and might come with subscription fees ranging from $10 to $20. So enjoy the commission-free ride while it lasts. Next on the list is DailyRemote. With a database boasting 2,000 plus remote companies, DailyRemote is a go-to for those seeking stable, long-term clients. The best part, it's currently free to sign up, but beware. Clients here have high standards. The screening process is rigorous, but if you pass, you can expect a consistent workload. Just be prepared to prove your dedication to your potential clients. Now let's talk about Speedlancer, a platform founded in 2014. Known for its skilled freelancers and lightning-fast turnarounds, Speedlancer has a reputation for quality. The catch? They have a strict screening process for freelancers. While signing up is free, you'll need an invitation link from their team. So make sure your portfolio is top-notch to stand out in the competition. If you're after exclusive freelancing opportunities, look no further than 1840 & Company. This platform features high-paying, long-term projects, but getting in isn't a walk in the park. After submitting your application, be ready for a thorough review of your portfolio and a video call screening. The good news? No application fees. Once you pass, you're on your way to accessing lucrative projects without the hassle of pitching. Moving on to Workana, launched in 2012. Initially gaining traction in Latin America, Workana now offers remote job opportunities worldwide. Freelancers appreciate its diversity, catering to remote workers of all levels. But here's the catch. There are hidden charges. While you can sign up for free, unlocking the full range of features might cost you around $5 to $25 a month. The Freelancer Club is all about jump-starting your freelancing career. Connecting freelancers with a global pool of high-paying clients, it ensures you won't have to deal with low-ball employers. However, quality comes at a cost, around $11 to $16 in monthly fees for access to their full suite of features. If you're serious about your freelancing career, it might be worth the investment. Wellfound, formerly AngelList Talent, has been around since 2013. Initially focused on local tech startups, it expanded to list remote jobs from hybrid companies. With a streamlined application process and upfront information about employers, Wellfound stands out. Just be cautious about visa sponsorships if you're looking to work abroad. It might be a golden ticket for high-performing freelancers. Last but not least, let's talk about Zerk, operating since 2010. Similar to Fiverr, freelancers list their services and clients reach out. The twist? You can't contact clients. They have to reach out to you. Plus, everyone is anonymous, adding a layer of privacy. Keep in mind the 15% site commission, but the perk is same-day withdrawals, no waiting around to access your hard-earned cash. And there you have it, 8 lesser-known, low-competition freelancing websites to explore. Don't limit yourself to the well-known platforms. Sometimes hidden gems can lead to incredible opportunities. Remember, it's not just about the platform. Reassess your prospecting strategy, explore different tactics, and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy freelancing. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.